Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious milk truffles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of full-fat milk powder, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget a tiny splash of vanilla extract for that extra flavor. Also, have a non-stick pan, a sturdy spatula, and a parchment-lined tray ready for the next steps. Now, let's start cooking our truffle base. Begin by melting the 1/4 cup of unsalted butter in your non-stick pan over a gentle, low heat. Once melted, gradually add the 1 cup of milk powder and the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. It's crucial to stir this mixture continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. This ensures it cooks evenly and thickens beautifully without burning, creating a smooth, rich base. After cooking, transfer the warm mixture onto a clean plate or a parchment-lined surface. Allow it to cool down completely. This might take about 30 minutes. Once it's cool enough to handle, take small portions, roughly 1 tablespoon each, and roll them into smooth, 1-inch spherical truffles. For an extra touch, you can roll these delightful treats in cocoa powder or fine shredded coconut. Your homemade milk truffles are now ready to be enjoyed. To keep them fresh, store them in an airtight container. They will maintain their deliciousness for up to 1 week when kept at room temperature. If you wish to store them for a longer period, perhaps up to 2 weeks, simply place the container in the refrigerator. These sweet treats are perfect for sharing or savoring all by yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.